I'm Cyril.
My name is Quentin.
Hi, I'm Lorenzo.
My name is David.
Martin-Pierre.
Program designed to give you the opportunity to reinforce your digital expertise, digital skills.
It's a way to kickstart your career.
Experience different jobs and missions within the digital scope.
It's a digital tailor-made program that helps you discover L'Oréal from the inside.
What I really liked is the capacity of my managers and the people surrounding me to trust my capacity to learn fast, but also to be impactful.
Meeting people, definitely.
All the upskilling opportunities.
The ability to be surrounded by experts from the studio.
To meet inspiring people within different brands.
I have been very lucky to be in charge of deploying Mode solution within the whole group, and it has been a great success.
A Site Factory program that was in charge of rolling out 600 websites across all the L'Oréal divisions.
I worked on how to do media with e-retailers, so co-op advertising.
So I was in charge of implementing a PIMDAM solution within one of the DMI of the group, which is Vichy.
We implemented new services on our website in France for L'Oréal Paris, which is called Modiface, helps the consumer to try the product virtually online. It's wonderful.
Yeah, the day I met this Google product owner in San Francisco, it was just amazing. I felt very privileged.
My first boss told me, listen up, fasten your seatbelt, and just be ready. And he was so right. It's been as fun as a roller coaster so far.
From day one, it was really the commitment of the colleague and all the digital talents within the group.
Yeah, the first 3 weeks were kind of hard for me because the project was very techy, very IT oriented, and I needed to have some help from the colleagues and from my team to get upskilled.
When we opened Station F with the Open Innovation teams, I had the opportunity to meet Xavier Niel, who is for me one of the most inspiring people on earth. So it was wonderful.
Be curious, be autonomous, and be yourself.
Go meet people with an open mind. Be curious.
Be flexible and open-minded. Digital is changing every day.
It will help you upskill yourselves and meet new people and discover new things.
I will say be bold, be passionate, and be unique and yourself.